In today's video, I want to answer the question of, can you really eat anything when you are intermittent fasting? So the short answer, while I am eating this quick loaf of bread, is yes, you can eat anything while you're intermittent fasting. I am currently breaking my fast with a sandwich, and this bread is for tonight's dinner. But the caveat is, if you're following a keto diet, then you obviously have to stick to those macros, like your fat and carbs. But for the average person who wants to incorporate intermittent fasting as part of a healthy lifestyle for all the other benefits, maybe weight loss, or create a fasting schedule or an eating schedule, so you're reduce snacking, etc., then you can eat anything as long as it fits your dietary needs. Meaning, if you want to eat healthier, then you obviously would pick healthier meals and foods during your eating window. So when people say, oh, I eat pizza while I'm intermittent fasting, obviously, you can also eat bread or pizza or anything that fits your dietary needs. If your goals are to lose weight, then you would obviously pick your meals to incorporate lots of fruits and vegetables, lean meats and proteins, which is very important. They keep you satiated. Some carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are really important, so that you have energy. Your body uses carbohydrates as energy sources, so you would also incorporate carbohydrates. So essentially a varied and nutritious meal plan for the week. Like, it doesn't mean that you have to be very strict with planning, but you should have a plan for your meals. So can you eat anything? Yes, you can eat anything while you intermittent fast, as long as it fits your goals and your dietary needs. That right there is the short answer. Below this video, I am going to have a quick jumpstart guide for you and a 1-week meal plan if you're still struggling to get more organized with your meals. So make sure to check that out.